through our ALP programs, we are gaining so much experience because we are working right from sowing to harvesting programs. We are dealing with various problems like pest and disease programs, and we are also having marketing management and for sales, irrigation management and finance and so on.
As a part of academics, we are following different pedagogies. So like classroom teaching, field learning methods, field exposure visits, field demonstrations and industry visits. And we are also encouraging the students to participate in different activities, agriculture related activities.
𝐀𝐝𝐦𝐢𝐬𝐬𝐢𝐨𝐧𝐬 College is currently running on mainly three aspects simultaneously. And first thing is technical knowledge in the learning classes, and in gaining the practical knowledge to the practical works, and through implementing this both in the field works. Also, there are two programs in final year. They are ALP and RAWEP.